Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming what you have. Open Device Manager or Radeon software to note the current driver version and GPU model. Once done, download the matching AMD Adrenalin installer for your operating system. Do not install a mismatched package. Make sure to create a Windows restore point and close heavy background apps to avoid interruptions. These steps reduce risk and speed installation. Now run the downloaded installer as administrator and proceed to the next phase. When the installer, you'll choose between Express and Custom Install. Pick Custom if you want a clean install or to deselect optional components. If you encountered driver corruption before, run the AMD Cleanup utility in safe mode first to remove remnants. During installation, allow driver and Radeon software components to install and accept driver signing prompts. Once the installer finishes copying files, your display may flicker. That's normal. Make sure to reboot when prompted to finalize driver integration and apply default settings. You finish by rebooting and verifying the new driver version in Device Manager or Radeon software to confirm success. Then adjust display resolution, refresh rate, game profiles, and power settings to match your preferences and run a quick benchmark or game to test stability. If problems occur, boot into safe mode, use the AMD Cleanup utility, and reinstall or roll back the driver. Make sure to note error messages. If a rollback works, you can retry the newer driver later after troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.